Hey everybody, I was sponsored by the brand and I'm going to tell you exactly how easy it was to install this vanity. There were two things that I noticed the moment I opened this up. The first one is that there were no strange odors, which I absolutely love. And the other thing I noticed was that there was a lot of styrofoam. I did have to vacuum it up. That did take a moment or so. It also took me about 3 hours to put this whole thing together. But honestly, these were minor inconveniences. Despite all of that, the instructions were very easy and simple to follow, and the materials were very high quality. I didn't have any cracks, any scratches, or anything of that nature, nor did I have any stripping of the tools themselves. It did come with all of the hardware that I needed to put this together, but I did use an electric drill. It did make it go a little bit faster. And so if you have one, I definitely recommend that. Putting this together by myself was easy to do. You can use a separate person or two people at certain parts, such as when you're lifting the heavy furniture, but it is something that you can do on your own as well. Now, as I mentioned, the instructions were very clear cut. I don't think I made any mistakes throughout this whole thing. And that's just simply because the instructions were very easy to follow and very easy to read. They did provide duplicates for most of the hardware, and so I never ran out. And so that was really nice because sometimes they get lost or they just break. That was not the case here. I had everything I needed. Another thing that I noticed is they had every piece clearly marked, although I did have to take off all of the stickers, which was a little bit of work, but it definitely made the product look a whole lot better. Everything fit together very well, as you can see all of these drawers going together right here. So honestly, if you're looking for a vanity of your own, one that's sturdy and very elegant and modern, look no further. I definitely recommend this one from the brand.